Assalamualaikum. In this video, we're going to be creating a React Bootstrap for alert component. So basically, if I go here, test, and write a wrong password, it's going to give us a oh snap, you got an error, and it's actually from this one. And we're using Postgres and as well Node.js on the backend. So let's start coding. So to start off, we're gonna be creating a new hook. Let's call it error boundary. Just so with this React Bootstrap, it should be actually installed as well. And based off this one, I can actually just export. No, here it actually is a function. Okay, so paste it. I'm gonna name it export default function. Let's call it error danger. In our case, we're not gonna use the be able to close. I'm gonna make it as simple as possible. Alert variant, it has to be danger. And what else? Alert. And let's just, for the sake of principle, I'm gonna make it simple as possible, as already mentioned. And we don't need this one. Okay. I think it looks good. Now to actually implement it, I will have to go back in the authentication, and let's start with register. So user email store, okay. Import error danger. You can see it auto imported. Here I have a simple registration. Where I have config and then store it in the state. I actually store it in Zustand. I think it's a lot better than Redux in most cases because it's not needed to overcomplicate stuff. I have to define this set error basically and how we're gonna run it. So forgot to remove it. So basically I'm setting up like a new use state, and whenever I make like a post to register, here I have a catch, and I'm gonna catch set error and error. And if you're interested, it's actually in the, where do I have it? Add user, See, we already like set the error, and now we have to return it. And for that, I'm gonna add like a new return statement if error is not equals empty. Then in that case, I can actually copy this whole form. You can of course do differently. And I actually have the whole return. Make a, just a main here. If there are any better ways, just let me know. I just found this one being applicable. So underneath that main, we're gonna just pass in error danger. The login, and same thing in the login. we did it before in the register. So import error danger. Okay, I've already set error here, and with the check being added here. The only thing to do is to copy this one. Maybe not as practical to do copy paste, but you can always refactor your code. Add again main. Main. You can see you have added it here. Does it work? So basically, let's do this again. Test. You have to rerun the code. Let's just sign up at first. Go. I want to submit. This is basically how it is. Refresh, it still stays. I'm gonna log out and try to log in though. With the correct password. We're logged in. Now let's try to log in again. Oh, I actually forgot to add the error danger here. Error danger. Okay, now let's try. Oh, now you can see. So refresh, go again, go, though.